Welcome back, everybody. As always, thank you so much for hanging out with me today. My name is Joseph James. Welcome back to our recap here now. We're going to recap our day here. Today was another day filled with winning trades. Little bit of slop and chop there after that 10 o'clock news that came out regarding Obamacare, but we followed our plan and we made our money today. Before we talk about those trades we took today, another great day of live trade calls here in the room. Even though I'm going to give you guys those live trade calls with exact entries, exact stops, and exact targets so everyone can trade along, even though I'm going to provide you with the easiest way to make money, you're still going to be aware there's risk out there. So please be careful with your risk capital. Not everybody's suited for trading, so please make sure you speak to somebody you trust regarding your risk capital. And remember, one of the key components to our success is our trading strategies, our trading plan. Every day we come in and we go through our morning prep. Our morning prep begins with the tools, the mental prep, the news prep, the technical, the trading plan prep, and then we just finished reviewing all of our trades. The most important part of my day is the end of it. When I look back over my trades today, I work with the man in the mirror, making sure that I followed my plan today. This is when I need to look in the mirror and I need to be honest with myself. Did I follow my plan today? Did I make good trading decisions this morning? Now, if you look at my results today, you'll notice we had a great day, but I'll be the first to admit to myself, because again, I don't want to lie to myself here. I'm working with myself right now to make sure that I'm doing the right thing here. I look at my results today. Once again, for the second or third time this week, we opened the day with a big 60-tick winner. Now, I got myself into trouble here around 10 o'clock. You're going to see here on crude, went long, went short, went long, okay? And of course, hindsight 2020, it doesn't take a rocket scientist to think that that price would be really choppy around 10 o'clock when they were talking about Obamacare. And we had gotten into a trade at 950. I got out of the trade at 950 for a small loss. And you can see, this is something I'm going to be taking right down on my notes because this is a small mistake that I made today that I'm going to make a small change tomorrow so I can avoid that in the future. If I don't take the time to review this, I'm going to finish my day, forget about what I did, and by the time tomorrow comes, I won't have made any more progress in my trading career. So I definitely know I got to learn from the mistakes that I made at 10 o'clock and then learn from the successes you had. Stick with the plan. I stuck to the plan from 10:30 to 11 o'clock and we made some more money. Just a really good example there on crude. We had one trade on the Russell today. We're actually in a fast track trade right now. So a good example on crude today of how if you follow your plan, you'll be just fine. I gave you a really good example here today of what not to do right when that news comes out. Don't let your emotions trade for you. Now check out this fast track trade here on the Russell, which we're still currently waiting on right now. And it sounds like we have about half of our members are in this trade right now along with us. So excellent job on that. Once again, if I was to ask you, if I provided you with the exact entry point, the exact stop loss, and the exact targets, could you make money with this method? Right? Would you like to make an extra 30 ticks per day per contract? Because that's what we did today easily. Okay? I can almost guarantee you that 30 ticks per day per contract on this fast track calls. So if you're sitting here right now, whether you're going to watch this later on or whether you're here live in this trade room as a guest to remember, we have demonstrated beyond any doubt in my mind, and I hope also in your mind, the effectiveness and the stability and the overall scalability of this. This works on any market. We've taken fast tracks on euro, crude, gold. You name the market, we'll find a fast track that will make money on it. So if you can place a limit order, if you can place a stop loss and a profit target, if you have a minimum of about $2,500 in your trade account, and if you can simply follow a simple plan that I give you, I'm going to give you the tools, I'm going to give you the charts, the data, the indicators, the templates, all that fun stuff. All you got to do is use them the way that I tell you to. Okay? No more trading with scared money. So right now, as you can see here, we provided the exact entry. the exact stop, and the exact target. So there's your entry at 4.3. The stop loss was called at 1.8, which was now moved up to 3.5. You took your first profit target, took your second profit target, and now we're just waiting to see if this Russell will keep going to that 770. The same reason why we took profit at 6.5 is the same reason why it's bounced off that level and is going to wait to go back up. So again, my goal of this is to get 30 ticks per day per contract. And if you're somebody who could use 30 ticks per day per contract to help your learning and earning get off the ground here, this is the exact place you want to be at, guys. And don't take my word for it. You see this happen every day. Every day we do this. Okay, not just today. We'll wrap things up for now. We got plenty of time here to ask questions. If you guys have questions, don't forget, next week is a shortened week here. Wednesday we are closed next week. We will be here though Monday, Tuesday, and we're still up in the air for Thursday, Friday next week. Keep in touch with us on that. Have a wonderful afternoon, everybody. Another excellent, excellent day here in the room. We come in, we planned our trades, we traded our plan, had some great trade calls here today, and it sounds like everybody had a pretty darn good day. Want to thank you all for your time today here, obviously, as well. And we got some time for more questions if you guys have any.